Welcome back to Benny and Beyond in Ireland.
In this video, we climb a mountain, get some unexpected snow, and visit the beautiful Achill Island. We left you last week at this lovely park up by the sea.
Good morning. Do I look like I've just woken up? Probably I feel like it. But this is where we stayed. Lovely spot last night, super quiet. Didn't get disturbed once. No one's come about this morning. It's just quite uncommon. The Irish love a morning swim. But just a bit of bliss last night. Today we do a lot of driving, I think, and then depending if the weather either stays like this, brightens up a bit, we'll go on a nice hike later. We've got something else planned, but we'll just kind of see what the weather does. You can never predict Irish weather, so who knows.
We hit the road early to explore Connemara National Park, aiming to find a beautiful spot to have lunch to fuel us up for our hike later on.
Lovely park up, blocked by a tree. Fantastic.
Brilliant.
It's still rooted.
Oh, so you couldn't move the tree like I suggested?
No, it's still rooted. Obviously, if it wasn't rooted, I'd be able to just pick it up and throw it.
Of course you could, Hulk.
But it can't. It's still rooted.
Right.
That was a bit of a blast. We drove down a very, very horrible gravel road with tons of potholes. Trying to get to a really nice spot, really well rated for lunch or, maybe just stay the night. But no, tree fell down. So currently walking down the other track to see if there's somewhere nice we can pull in, just for an hour or so. Got a bite to eat and then start the hike. After the palaver with the tree, we stopped off for a quick bite in a restaurant instead.
Right, so we had our very early brunch, which was delicious. We hit the road. Now we have made it to the Connemara National Park. And
Diamond Hill?
Yes, Diamond Hill. So we saw this on Jits Into the Sunset on their Island Wild Atlantic Way tour, and it looked like a great hike. So there are two different loops you can take, either the lower route, which is easier, or you can do both, or just the upper route, which is the harder one. We're going to see how we go.
Yeah, it's the difference of 3 kilometres or 3.7 kilometres, but with a climb.
Yes, but yeah, we're feeling good, feeling fueled up. It's cold.
Oh, we got packed lunch as well. Got some,
Yeah, just in case we need the extra fuel.
Yeah. Okay, so here's the hike we're doing. So obviously we started down here at the visitor centre. Made our way up. We were going to do the blue route. I say we probably are, but that's the option if you want to go up that way. So, what do you think so far?
It's a great walk. Even if you do just the lower loop, you get great views, like right off the bat, don't you?
You do, definitely.
And it's very quick. I mean, we did the lower loop, we could have probably done it in 45 minutes.
Or less.
Yeah, we were stopping quite a lot to take shots and admire the view, so I imagine that can take you half an hour. Hence why we've chosen to do the big loop now. This one I'm a little bit nervous about, because there was a couple in front of us and I've just watched them climb all these steps to the summit, and it looks gnarly.
This is a pretty decent lunch spot. I mean, look at that. Not too shabby. Bagels.
Sorry, what was that?
Bagels.
Definitely one of the best lunch spots we've ever had. It's a small, it's not small, it's quite big actually. Viewpoint. Debrief. Oh, I'm knackered now.
Yeah, that's the debrief. We're shattered.
Knackered.
It's good though.
Yeah.
It was quite difficult.
It's quite a scramble for a lot of it.
Yeah, at the top it is a bit of a scramble.
To the summit.
Majority is very nicely kind of pathed out.
To be fair, the whole way you can see the path pretty much. And there's signs here and there that tell you how far along you are, etc. So they do make it quite easy to see where you're going.
Yeah.
The path itself is not easy to follow because of the terrain, if that makes sense.
Only certain parts.
Yeah.
Most of it's fine.
It's a proper scramble to the top at the end, and then it's like 2 peaks.
Yeah.
At the top, so you get quite a big summit, like a while you walk across it, which is really cool. We enjoyed that bit. And then the descent down the other side is steep for a while.
Yeah, and very windy.
Yeah, you get hit with the wind.
A lot of the hike, which is nice.
If you are contemplating doing this, do not do it in high winds
or rain.
Because a lot of it, as you'll have seen, is on steps, and you're balancing a lot of the time to get between steps. And I imagine in the wind and the rain, it's A, slippy, and B, very dangerous. But we really enjoyed.
It was great. Knackered now. Done
Climbing
for the
the
day.
mountain.
The temperature dropped and the day was coming to an end, so we hopped straight into the van and made dinner, forgetting to fill the park up. But don't worry, it was just a lay-by, so nothing special. Morning. We woke up to snow-capped bloody mountains.
Bloody hell.
That was not on the bingo card for this week.
As the snow hit, we decided to wait it out as the forecast said that it would blow over. We took the opportunity to do our van life admin instead, fueling up, doing laundry and making headway on the route up to Achill Island.
like watching Bambi.
Oh no!
Oh, Fiona, don't bury your foot. Hello.
The sun is shining.
Oh, and it's shining good and proper. We are at Keene Beach. You know, when the sun's out, you got to nip to the beach, don't you?
Yes. This is actually rated one of the best beaches in Europe, I believe. It's a blue flag beach, I think.
It is stunning, to be fair.
It looks tropical.
It does. Like the surroundings, you got the cliffs, you got lovely green. It does looks a bit fancy.
I bet in the summer it is rammed down here.
Oh yeah.
Like
Oh,
a bank
definitely.
holiday, rammed.
The views in this area are absolutely incredible. Just unbelievable.
You have to come to Achill Island. Well, Achill Island certainly doesn't disappoint, and if you're doing the Wild Atlantic Way, definitely come onto the island. It's gorgeous.
It's incredible. And if you don't get weather quite like us, if you aren't quite as fortunate, it's worth waiting.
Yes, like we've been here 2 days now. We
Yeah.
were here yesterday, we'll be here today, we'll probably be here tomorrow morning. And
Probably.
it's gorgeous in the blue skies, like wow.
Just incredible. Absolutely.
One of the most gorgeous places I've seen, I think.
I think so.
Like the rugged coastline with the tropical looking water. It's gorgeous.
It's perfect. Just perfect. Sorry for the quite abrupt ending,
Yes.
but well, like after rugby, we didn't really get much done.
No. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you've enjoyed this week's video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. We loved hearing your guys' feedback on the last video, and make sure you don't miss next week's video where we finish the Wild Atlantic Way.
Yes, not the end of our trip at
No.
all. We've got Northern Ireland, and then we're coming down the east coast
Yes.
as well. And if you haven't watched them already, be sure to check out our other island videos. Got a couple up now, and I think you'll really like them.
Yeah, and if you've already watched them, why not check out our Scotland series or even our Wales series as well? We've got multiple van life series that you can watch to bide your time.